security of Americans. Whether or not they're disclosing the specific exploit is probably less important than the fact that they're saying we've determined there's an issue here. So if the bar is they have to disclose the exploit in order to believe that there's a security issue, then that's probably not going to happen.
I think it's very simple. Your drone flight and image data is not automatically sent to us.
General Spalding maintains the data can be sent back without you knowing. He says there can be both software and hardware backdoors inserted into the drones that transmit data. Should police departments be rejecting these gifts?
I think it's probably time for them to say, we don't need these drones. We can do it the old-fashioned way.
Now, Lisa, you mentioned that Maryland is one of the
Because
recipients.
DJI owns the global market, its user list is huge. Government, utilities, private industry, including us. Sinclair Broadcast Group is a user of DJI drones and, based on our reporting, intends to examine its use of drones for our news gathering operation.
Well, DJI, those are a huge company, a huge drone company all across our country. And Lisa, you mentioned that Maryland is one of the recipients of these drones. Who exactly is using them?
Right. The Calvert County Sheriff's Department, for one. There may be others. They declined an on-camera interview, but did answer some questions that we posed via email. We've posted those on our website. I've also just posted our story and the full interview with General Robert Spalding on my Facebook page at Lisa Fletcher Reports. And then, of course, you can see all of that on our website at WJLA.com.
New information tonight on the popularity of Ocean City for its first weekend back open. A spokesperson for the city estimates 150,000 people visited. A live look there now shows it is not a good day to take a dip in the water. Water temperature is still very chilly and the water's choppy due to Tropical Storm Arthur bringing some rain, and the conditions out there just not conducive for going in the water. Bill, much cooler today than the weekend. Saturday was just dynamite. If we could go back to that, that would be great.
Wouldn't that be nice? Yeah, we were at 80, I think it was 82 degrees on Saturday. It was beautiful. We had some clouds mixed in with the sunshine. Well, now we've had the cooler air filter back in, and that's going to be the trend, essentially, for the rest of the week. So let me get you out the door. It's cloudy where I'm at here in Northern Virginia. Cloudy across. Doesn't matter if you're in Hagerstown, Spotsylvania, over in Luray. It's cloudy for everybody right now. And temperature-wise, we're sitting into the 60s, mid and upper 60s. Pretty much everywhere. There's not one spot that's noticeably warmer than another across the DMV, but everybody has the clouds, a few isolated showers, and the clouds that we have out there tonight are directly from, you mentioned Arthur. There's Arthur, 50-mile-per-hour sustained winds right now, gusts to 65. This is really going to have no impact for us other than the clouds that we have out there. It's going to go off to the northeast and eventually swing around and potentially affect Bermuda by Thursday, but we'll keep a close eye on that. Just it's our first tropical system, and that's early. Hurricane season officially starts June 1st in the Atlantic. So here's what we're looking at in terms of our future cast. Clouds are in our area all night long. Tomorrow morning, if you're from D.C., maybe Fairfax County, areas up to the north, we'll see a little bit of a break during the late evening hours tonight and early tomorrow morning. It's our best chance to pick up some sunshine would be in the first part of the day, because by the second half of the day, clouds really start to thicken back up again. Notice a little bit of green on this map. I think our shower chance is very low for tomorrow. Most of that stays well to the west, well to the south, but it will be another relatively cool day. And like I said, we're going to keep that trend in throughout the entire week. So temperatures, I want to show you how we look for tomorrow. We start out in the upper 40s, mid and low 50s around the region, up into the upper 60s tomorrow afternoon. Then we'll drop back down into the 50s again by Wednesday morning, back up into the mid to upper 60s again on Wednesday. Wednesday's our greatest chance to pick up a little bit of sunshine. So we're going to call it a partly cloudy day. And then Thursday, the clouds fill back in. Evening rain is what we're going to be tracking. And then our next weather maker that brings widespread rain to the region is likely going to be on Friday. I really don't see a storm potential on Friday. But notice our numbers do go up. 75 on Friday. We'll go near 80 degrees for Saturday, Sunday. Saturday has a good chance of some rain, but it also has that chance for some showers and storms as well. So we'll be tracking both of those days, Friday, Saturday. But until then, Jonathan, temperatures stay in the 60s. You'll want the sweatshirt if you're going to be heading on out if you want to stay comfortable. Back over to you.
All right, Bill, thanks. Some new video tonight showing the inventive way that Fishtails Pub in Ocean City is enforcing social distancing. They're tubing. Yep, everybody gets a rolling inner tube table. The idea came from Revolution.